Hey you, if you're new, welcome. My name is Kristen. Tonight we're going to go in with an easy grilled chicken salad. Friday we grilled up some chicken, and in the comments I'll let you know to go ahead and throw on tonight's meat so that it could be cooked for tonight and you wouldn't have to fire up the grill for tonight. If you did not cook your chicken ahead of time, just go ahead and throw the chicken in the air fryer, the oven, or fire up your grill. To prep this salad, I cut my cold chicken from the fridge into bite-sized chunks. I cut my tomatoes into small chunks, and I cut my onions into strips. To put this salad together, I did use bag lettuce because sometimes we just need a few shortcuts. Toss your lettuce and your onion slices in, and I did have to go in and separate them because I didn't do it whenever I cut them. If you cut your onions, just go ahead and pull them apart, otherwise they're going to stick together and then you have to do what I just did here. Toss in your tomatoes and sprinkle a little salt over the top. Hit it with as much black pepper as you like and bring in some flavor with the dry Italian seasoning. Top it all off with some cheese and then mix it all up. I did warm my chicken from the fridge. They say that you can eat it cold, but I'm just gonna warm mine up. From here, place it on a plate, toss on your croutons, add your chicken, and then bam, baby, dinner is done. If you haven't already, head over to my Patreon and get your grocery list download. The link is down in the description. Go grab your groceries and come back tomorrow because we're going to be making my favorite, soft, crunchy tacos. Have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.